Good morning students. I hope you all are safe at home. Myself Jyoti Nahar from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota, and today I am going to take class 6 science, and the chapter that we are going to take today is chapter number 16, garbage in, garbage out. This has been divided into two parts. In part 1 video, we will be doing introduction, types of waste and waste management. And in video part 2, we will cover up the topics vermicomposting, recycling of waste and plastic. So, let us start with part 1. Now, every day you find so many garbage or you throw away many waste as you eat a candy and throw away the wrapper. So, that becomes a garbage. Basically, all the waste such as wrappers, peels of fruits and vegetables, broken toys, old shoes, slippers, broken glass, waste papers, all these things, they go out as garbage. All human activities generate waste. They may be solid, liquid or gaseous. Now, solid waste essentially is divided on the basis of their degradation into two parts as biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Now, let us understand what are biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste are those in which waste substances undergo degradation, means by any means they rot and form and decompose by the action of decomposers. And examples are food waste, these are biodegradable waste. Dead and decaying animals and plants, the waste of dead and decaying plants and animals, they also form biodegradable waste. Now, what are non-biodegradable waste? Non-biodegradable waste are those in which waste substances cannot be broken down by decomposers, means they are not broken down by any decomposers into smaller substances or into they may not be decomposed. Examples of non-biodegradable substances are plastic, metal and glass. These substances cannot be broken down further by any means by any decomposers. So, they are called non-biodegradable waste. Now, there is a big need of waste management. How to manage these waste that is being used or that is being thrown by us in our everyday life. A lot of waste is being thrown. How to manage that waste? We have 4 points for this waste management, that is 4 R's we are going to do. First one, by reducing its amount. By reducing the amount of waste, we can manage waste. Buy only those things which you need. That means you should buy only those things which are essential or needed by you. Take only as much food as you can consume, that is no wastage of food should be done. Avoid the use of plastic bags. Plastic bags should not be used. Instead, we can use paper bags or jute bags. Use both sides of paper. Both sides of paper should be used so that we can reduce the amount of waste. Now, the second one is by reusing the waste. How we can reuse certain things? By repairing them, like plastic bags can be reused by making flowers. Similarly, reuse plastic bottles instead of throwing away. Plastic bottles can be again used for making pots or any other use. Instead of throwing them away, we can reuse them. Many other substances can be reused. So, we should always try to reuse this waste so that we can manage the waste. Next one is by recycling the waste. materials like paper, glass and metal, these can be separated and they can be sent to recycling plants to make new products. As for example, when we have piles of waste like newspapers and old books copies in our houses, we give it to kabadi walas or raddi walas. Then they take it to recycling plants. There they are, the paper is recycled and which can be used again. So this is recycling of paper. Similarly, glass and metal, these also can be recycled to make new products. Now, biodegradable waste can be recycled by the method of composting. These solid waste is converted into manure, is called composting. This is composting and we will talk in detail about composting and vermicomposting in our next video. And so, what is composting? In short, I will tell you, the conversion of solid waste into manure is called composting. We will be talking about composting and vermicomposting in detail in our next video. So, this was all about waste management. I hope you understood the chapter, students. Thank you.